please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so already. It's totally free for you and it just means so much to me. We're jumping straight into the warm-up today. Koboko, get it together. We're gonna start with air squats. Keep your abs nice and tight. Drop low. Get that booty to the ground if you can. Just do your best. You look good. Let's go. Oh, this is gonna be such a good one. I can feel it in my soul. In my heart, in my soul. Alright, we're gonna go into a squat. Add a leg raise. Squat, leg raise. Get that side booty. Let the side booty not be left behind. Let's go. Why does this exercise make us look like we are little frogs? Look at that, tadpole. That's what this should be called, tadpole. Okay. Oh, man. Whew. You know what? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. This whole workout is an act of love. Clench your booty. Trust me. Just trust me on this. There's nothing I can tell you. Just let's do it together. Okay, it's over. Round 1, goblet squats. I know the preview looks exactly the same, but it's not. In one, I'm holding a dumbbell against my chest. In the other, I'm not. If you have weights, hold the weights just the way you see me do. If you don't have weights, just put your wrist in that position. Let's go. It's very hard for you to see, but I am holding a dumbbell. It's exactly like air squats, but you just made it harder with the dumbbells. If you don't have dumbbells, you can do this with body weight, but for the full effect, I strongly recommend having a dumbbell and dropping it with your dumbbell at your chest. Okay, next up we have standing abductors. Your abs are going to be tight. You're going to put that weight on your thigh and raise your leg. Your hand is just there to support the weight. If you're not using weights, use your hand to press down against your thigh as your own resistance. You know what I mean? Let's go. If you're using weights, your leg is still doing all the work. The weights are just, your hand is just there to keep the weight in position. If you're not using weights, you want to literally press against your thigh as it's trying to go up. So your hand is your own resistance. I know that made sense. Let's just survive this before we do the other side. Good. Same thing on the other side. Abs are engaged. Do your best. One side is going to be easier than the other. If you need to hold on to something, do that. I'm not judging you. I'm here to help you make it to the end because you got this. Let's go. There you go. You look good. This is a tough one. This is a tough one. So go at your own pace. Don't try to keep up with me. You do you. Your pace is good. Just do your best. That's all you can do. Just a few more seconds. Yeah, keep going. Okay, we're going to do a squat. If you do not have weights, do the version on the right with your hand behind your head. If you do have squats, hold the weight the way you see me do. And let's drop into it. Don't worry about doing squats in this workout. We're going to do enough squats to get your quads tired and to be your insurance policy, but we're not going to be working your thighs too much in this workout. We're about to hit those glutes really hard, so just do what you can. Make sure you suck your stomach in. Good. Good. When you go down, pretend you're sitting back into a chair. Good. You look good. That's amazing. You're doing so good. Okay, dumbbell swings. If you don't have weights, do the version on the right. If you have a weight, do the version on the left. The key here is when you are standing up, squeeze your booty. Your butt should be what? Your propulsion engine. That's right. Good. Make sure you hold on tight to that dumbbell if you're using one. I don't want you breaking any windows. If you're not using weights, just clasp your hands together and do the same movement, just without the weights. You look amazing. Keep going. Keep going. You got this. You got this. All right, we're going to do standing kickbacks. You're going to hold onto a wall and put that weight on the back of your thigh and then extend your leg. Your hand is just there to support the weight. It's not there to do any work. Your legs and booty should be lifting this weight. If you're not using weights, you're going to use your hand to push back against your leg as you raise it. So your hand is your resistance. It's a logic. Let's go. Hey, you're doing amazing. We're going to do the other leg now. Same logic. Are you ready? Let's go. Do your best. After this, you have one more exercise and you get a break. All right, last move, glute bridges. If you have weights, you want to put it on your hips. Squeeze your glutes to go up. Your hand is just supporting the weight. If you don't have weights, do the same movement, just very slowly. And you hold at the top if you don't have weights. Good. Really squeeze those glutes to go up. Good. And just use your hands to gently support the weight if you're using weights. If you're not using weights, again, do slow and steady and hold at the top. Oh, this is so good. This is the exercise. You want to make sure that you do your best. You want to do your best for all of them, but for glute bridges, extra.
We're going to keep this short and sweet right here for YouTube, but if you want the full 30-minute version of this workout, an easy workout schedule you can follow every single day, and access to all sorts of workout programs from me, visit my website at KICKBACKS.com and follow the easy directions on the homepage.
You're just going to cross your legs and fold forward best you can. Make sure you listen to your body. Go through your own range of motion. That was so good. When you're ready, I want you to slowly stand up. Put a slight bend in your knee and give yourself a huge hug. You worked hard today, and I am so excited for you. I'm so excited for your progress. You are doing something good for yourself by working out. Thank you for working out with me today. I will see you in the next workout.